Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the device and confirming power is stable. Plug in if needed. Open Settings and go straight to Display or Wallpaper. This is where lock screen assets live. Once there, find the lock screen or screen lock wallpaper entry and tap it to view current image choices and sources. You're acting now. Select the Active Lock Wallpaper preview so the system shows options like Remove, Default, or Change. Make sure to note if the image is from Gallery or a system pack before proceeding. You'll now remove the lock wallpaper. Tap Remove or Delete when the preview shows, or choose Set to Default if you want the built-in image back. If the wallpaper came from your gallery, confirm you only unlink it from lock screen rather than deleting the original photo from storage. On some systems, you'll see a separate prompt. Once done, the lock wallpaper reverts to default or blank. Make sure to test lock screen immediately so you verify the change took effect. Finish by locking the device and checking the lock screen. This confirms the wallpaper is gone. If the wallpaper didn't change, reboot the device and reopen settings. Sometimes the system needs a restart to apply changes. If an app controls wallpapers, go to Apps, find that app, and disable or clear cache to force settings reset. If problems persist, you can temporarily set a different image, then remove it again. This forces the system to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.